हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू जी, केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी। ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे, हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हाँ जी, तो इस पे इतने खुश क्यों हो ऐ भाई? तुम तो बरसों पहले ही निकल चुके हो, तो बर्थडे वाला नाटक ये क्यों है भाई? कैंडल शैंडल फूंक से बुझा के बेसुरों की भीड़
हर बदली चली आती है छूने, पर कोई बदली कभी कहीं कर दे तन गीला, ये भी ना हो। किसी मंजर पर मैं रुका नहीं, कभी खुद से भी मैं मिला नहीं, ये गिला तो है मैं खफा नहीं। शहर एक से गांव एक से लोग एक से नाम एक
देखा एक ख्वाब तो ये सिलसिले हुए, दूर तक निगाह में है गुल खिले हुए। देखा एक ख्वाब तो ये सिलसिले हुए, दूर तक निगाह में है गुल खिले हुए। ख्वाब तो ये सिलसिले हुए, दूर तक निगाह में है गुल खिले हुए।
अरे अभी अभी प्यारा सा चेहरा दिखा है, जाने क्या कहूँ उस पे क्या लिखा है। गहरा समंदर दिल डूबा जिसमें, घायल हुआ मैं उस पल से इसमें। नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर, नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर, नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर, ऐ दिल तू बता रे। नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर, नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर, नैना दा क्या कसूर बेकसूर बेकसूर, ऐ दिल तू बता रे।
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी। जो ही बदली दिल की ताल है, आहा यूं ही आया एक ख्याल है, आहा पाते हमें जिंदगी एक बार, क्यों न करे खुल के हम इसका प्यार। जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार, कि जिंदगी यही है और यही। जो थी कल तक बस एक आरज़ू, आहा वो ही पा गए हैं मैं और तू, आहा थामे हम हाथों में यूं ही हाथ, शहर दिल में घूमेंगे साथ साथ। सारे सारे दिन सारी सारी रात बरस रही है एक खुशी हर कहीं। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में बातों में रोशनी। सपने जो बन सके उसी जिंदगी को कहो जिंदगी।
I'm a scat man. I'm a scat Everybody stutters one way or the other, so check out my message to you. As a matter of fact, I don't let nothing hold you back. If the scat man can do it, so can you. Everybody's saying that the scat man stutters but does and never stutter when he sings. But what you don't know, I'm gonna tell you right now that the stutter and the scat is the same thing. Yo, I'm the scat man.
Happy quarantine birthday. Staying at home and having a blast. Happy quarantine birthday. Rocking that party hat in your homemade mask. Jimmy got happy butt 6 feet of room. Sanitized hands and a party on Zoom.
Can you hear me? You need to unmute. Unmute!
Have a super great birthday. All your friends wish they could be near, but your quarantine birthday means you get to have another birthday next year.
Wishing very, very happy 60th birthday. God bless you. परमात्मा तेरे जैसा आज्ञाकारी बेटा सबको दे। कहना भावे नहीं माने देता, लेकिन बहुत 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 प्यार करता है, बहुत प्यार करता है। इतना अच्छा दिल से ये बोल रहा हूँ।
परवीन, तेरे को बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा मुबारक हो 60th बर्थडे की। मम्मी की तरफ से ऐसे बेटे सबको परमात्मा दे। बड़ा आज्ञाकारी है लेकिन बीच बीच में तंग भी बहुत करता है।
On your 60th birthday, I have a lot to say, but I cannot say external, so I have to read it out. Dear Parveen, we came in contact with you in October 1900 when we were blessed with a mature third son, when you accepted Monica as your life partner. Initially, we found you to be a little reserved type of a person, but years passed by, we found you to be a totally different personality. You have no pretensions and command about yourself. You have a down-to-earth personality with a very energetic mind and can decipher behind what is written or spoken. You endear yourself to one and all by your smile and helpful nature. You are a loving son, a loving father, and a loving brother, and a dear friend.
I don't know what to say about you. You are such a good person, loving and friendly. That's all I think.
Happy birthday.
60 years of journey have been an adventurous, joyful roller coaster ride. There have been many ups and downs and a lot of excitement, a lot of joy, a lot of happiness. Over the 60 years, the relationship has cemented with Monica and his two children, Shweta and Rishabh. All I can say in the 60 years is he has been always there for us at any time, any place, at any occasion. He has always been known as a thinker and takes his part so seriously that even in the toilet, on the pot, he is thinking. So he has been the thinker of the family. To me, he has been my great brother who at any given time I can depend upon I have no words to express my feelings. All I can say is thank you.
Happy birthday, Praveen. Wish you lots of love, abundance, and everything that you desire in your life. It's been a beautiful relationship as siblings for the last 55 years gone by. In our childhood, I think sweet memories and also sweet and sour relationship that we had, fight over little things. Papa ji would come and sort it out. I remember once you threw a hairbrush very unknowingly, very unmistakingly at me, and you cried and cried because you thought it would leave marks on my face. And after that, I got married at 17. I think you became a very supportive, loving, caring brother, took the role as a father as well. And I think we've had a lovely relationship all along. Thank you for all the support that you've given us.
Happy birthday, wishing you a fantastic day ahead and an even better year. And well, what can we say? I just know exactly how Vidur is going to be now, all thanks to you. And he's gotten all your best qualities. That's one thing for sure. Maybe like you're the best brother to mom, and you know, you're just always there for the family. So thank you so much for all of that.
Well, for me it is going back many years now, from young brother-in-law. But what has been enchanting is the phenomenal wisdom and intellect that he's always brought with him, and that's a colossal hand-holding that it's been right from day one till date, and will continue to cherish and enjoy and benefit from that. Have a great day, lovely time. Take care of yourself and don't get so hyper. Chill, be patient, and all the best.
I've seen what a fabulous brother you've been to mom, and I'll honestly always aspire to be the same brother that as good a brother as you have been to mom as I can be to Didi. You've been a great guide, and I really do honestly look up to you. And
Happy 60th birthday, Praveen. May God bless you. Have a super day and a super year ahead.
Happy 60th birthday, Praveen Chacha. Have a great year and a great birthday.
Happy birthday, Praveen Chacha. May you have an amazing day and a great year ahead.
Cheers to your 60th, dearest Bhaiya. To someone who's not so old but classy, to someone who still has more black on his head than his back, to someone who parties so hard that he's tired even before he reaches it, to someone for whom happy hours is not a bottle of Black Label but his power naps, especially before any party.
Happy birthday, Bhaiya. Happy 68th birthday. It is indeed a special moment, and we love the time we've spent with you over the years. You've truly become the pillar of the family, a lot like Papa, where you help everybody, you are willing to talk and find solutions to people's problems. It feels lovely to be with you, and I really love our holidays together when on one of the jokes you start laughing and you continue laughing for minutes together, and it really looks nice, and love to see the smile on your face, and wish you a lot of happiness, a lot of smiles ahead, and may you be the best and the richest hotelier ever.
Happy birthday, Praveen Papa. Have a great day. It's always great to see you, always Googling something, always wanting to learn something new every day. And it's amazing to see you breaking down every news article and bringing logic out of it. Hope you have an amazing day. Happy 60th birthday.
But hey, you're incredible, and you are too young, and you look too young to be 60, the big 60. Wishing you good health, good happiness, wishing you a very happy birthday. Love you, hugs.
Stay smiling and young forever.
Dearest Praveen Bhaiya, born to the illustrious Mehra family, married to the most beautiful Anand girl, having the two most amazing kids and the most adorable and beautiful grandchildren, Praveen Bhaiya, you surely have lived the life that dreams are made of.
The youngest 60-year-old we know. You've always been like an elder brother to us. Whenever we need you, you're always there for us. We roam the streets of Mumbai freely, knowing very well that if we get into trouble, there's only one number we need to call, and that's of yours. Everyone thinks of you to be very quiet and reserved, but when one gets to know you, you're full of fun and laughter. On holidays, you let your hair down, and that we have a blast together. We look forward to all the fun holidays we have.
Your laughter is so contagious, and you look so cute when you get into those spells of laughter that you have us falling off our chairs too.
Blessed to have you as a part of our family.
Best to have you in our lives.
Lots of
Happiest birthday, Praveen
And
Bhaiya.
lots of
God
love.
bless.
Bye.
Happy birthday!
It's difficult to imagine Praveen aging because I have now known him more than 10 years and he hasn't aged a day in appearance. But I'm glad I've been given this opportunity to speak about Praveen because I really want to take this chance to thank him for the tremendous support and backing that he has given me, Raghav and my whole family during our recent troubled times that we've had. He has been a pillar of strength for us, and all of us, especially me, want to thank him for all his support he has given us. So Praveen, wishing you a very, very happy year ahead and looking forward to the decade coming up of good health, happiness and more grandchildren. Oh, by the way, you should know, Praveen, your grandchildren idolize you.
Hi Praveen, Alok, words are so beautifully put together and I'm like totally overwhelmed. He's put into words beautifully and very quietly so what exactly the Puri family feels about you. Jokes apart, I remember very clearly when I first met you, not as my Samdi to be, but somebody who was in Astoria and I was cleaning up the J Tata Road. From that person to what I met when I came over to your house and I met with Monica and you. Monica of course stole my heart like she does of everybody else, and so did you. You are amazingly charming, full of sense of humor, and I loved it. And I said, gosh, they have sired this girl. That's the girl I want to be a part of my family. Thank you so much, Monica and Praveen. And I remember all through Raghav's wedding how funny you were, how hilarious you were, and how charming you were. Happy birthday. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Have a beautiful year and lots of love from all of us.
Happy birthday.
Happy. Let's sing it together.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Praveen. Happy birthday.
Firstly, Praveen, very hard to believe that you are 60. You are still very, very young. 60 of course is young these days. Gone are those days when 60 we used to feel old. You are still very, very young, very brilliant looking, handsome man. What else you want? You have a wonderful family. We are very, very grateful to God to give you beautiful children, lovely wife, wonderful life. Anyway, we are also very grateful to have you as a lovely son. Uncle was really proud of you, very, very proud. He often used to remember your innocent talks before you were getting married. And he often used to make me laugh remembering at your innocent talks, which I just cannot express here. When I think I have mentioned to you much earlier also. You were actually a very innocent child. a beautiful baby born in our family, the cutest child ever born, which we had to believe that this is our own baby when you arrived to Delhi from Bombay. We had to, mommy was not that good looking, your dad was not that good looking, but where is this child come from? We were very, very happy to take you home. I had to decorate you on my refrigerator, feeling a stuffed toy rabbit. I really remember those days when I used to hug you and kiss you. Of course, babies don't like all that, but I never bothered. I was making myself happy that time. Even now, I feel very proud of you to have, you are very charming looking, a handsome man. Even now, you are the best looking man in our family. You also know that. Not that I am telling you, you know. Anyway, enjoy. I wish we were there to enjoy this big day with you. Hope to see you soon. We will miss you. Please enjoy the day and have a wonderful.
Hi Praveen. I'm Monica's husband. This is Monica's Bua calling. Happy 60th birthday and wishing you many more to come. Filled with good health, happiness, laughter, love and much more. So a very happy birthday to you today and lots of more to come. Praveen, we go back a long time when we came into our Anand family, getting married to Monica, and I still remember very clearly during the fairas at the wedding time, I was sitting behind you and needling you and troubling you like a Jija Sali relationship. So we go back a long time. It's been wonderful having you in the family. Take care and all the best. Mwah. And here's somebody else who wants to wish you too.
Hi Praveen, very happy 60th birthday. I wish you a lot of happiness, good health, peace and a lot of wealth also. Anyhow, have a great day and happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday Praveen Chacha. Here's a very happy 60th to the most good looking and handsome 60-year-old in the world.
Have a wonderful day and hope it's awesome. And I think one of the most funniest incidents that I can remember with you is when in Astoria, when Dadi, I and my sister had come down from Delhi, we were sitting and we were talking for half an hour and you didn't know who was sitting there, so you didn't get into the conversation or speak. And then once we got up, we went and asked Dadi, who is she? So I think this is the most funniest. I think it runs in the family from Dadu to you, and I think this is the most funniest incident I've had with you.
Happy 60th birthday, Mamu. I can't wait to see you and celebrate with you. But have a really good one. Your stories of calling me Shri Devi and Urmila, things I'm never gonna forget. And I've grown up listening to Vidur, who has totally picked up your infectious laugh. And I really miss hearing that now since I'm not there. And miss you so much. Love you lots. Can't wait to celebrate and see you again.
Happy birthday, Praveen Papa. Hope you have an amazing one.
Happy birthday Praveen Papa. Have a great one. Next time we'll come celebrate with you or you come celebrate with us. Then we'll have a great time. Thank you.
Happy birthday Praveen Papa. You're one of the most knowledgeable and interesting people I know. It's always good how you're fascinated to learn new things, and it's also because of you that whenever we're on holiday we get to see the best hotels, since you always want to see the most number of amazing hotels that we can. You always care about us and have made sure my room comes out extremely perfectly, and also check up on me whenever I'm not feeling well. I love when you burst into your fits of laughter, and I hope you keep laughing always. Happy birthday once again.
Hi Praveen Papa, happy 60th birthday. Just wanted to say thanks so much for all the delicious food you keep bringing us from Miraj and the other hotels. And we always look forward to going down and meeting you on Monday. And we even really enjoy when you come up and have dinner with us and crack your witty one-liner jokes always. And just to conclude, wanted to say look forward to celebrating your 60th birthday once this whole COVID thing subsides, hopefully at the Radisson. That's all. Thanks.
Hello Praveen.
Very happy birthday to you from all of us. Okay, last year when we went in April to Jodhpur, I think that was one of our best trips, where you were in a super light mood, absolutely relaxed, happy. It was great spending time with you that time. And then your best friend of all times should be your work, because you are a workaholic, you are a perfectionist, like a Bawa, like Ratan Tata. Okay, I'm not trying to put you on that pedestal, but someone like that. And Praveen, if you were not a hotelier, you would be a workaholic, like a serious role player in a romantic film. You know Amitabh Bachchan in Mohabbatein? A Gurukul strict teacher, no nonsense, no entertainment. Yes, that's what Praveen would be if you were not a hotelier. Right? I think so. And 20 years down the line, Praveen, I still see you making a hotel maybe on Mars. And I don't think you also know if you have any secrets, Praveen, so leave it. True. The best thing that amuses us about you is like when we go to INOX to watch a comedy film and you're sitting there absolutely serious, no expression on your face. The whole hall is rolling with laughter in splits and there's no expression on your face only. And we laugh more seeing your expression. I think you're ready to tear your hair or run out from the hall. That's the best thing we like about you. Anyways, Praveen, it doesn't look a bit that you're turning 60, okay? You're still a handsome dude and you'll always be. God bless you. We all love you and have a blissful life ahead. See ya soon.
Hello Praveen, wish you a very happy birthday. But 60th birthday, my God, are you kidding? You look exactly the same as we had met 25-30 years back. But one small regret, Bandhu, we couldn't teach you how to drink. हमारी छूटती जा रही है, तुमने अभी तक चालू नहीं की. It's really time to start and kick off. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. One of the greatest trips I remember with you was our Vrindavan, and it's time to again go there once more. Wish you a lovely and a very blissful birthday.
Praveen, being workaholic, he never likes to go for holidays. Even on Sundays, he goes to his hotels for work. Once we had a chance, we all went to Mahabaleshwar in the month of May, but the climate became very hot and he came back to Bombay. Once. Second, he resembles me, he reminds me of Rajat Sharma of India TV, because Rajat Sharma has a habit of asking questions. But if somebody asks him a question, he never answers, or he tries to avoid it. And thirdly, he never tells about his business and number of hotels. Once on a dinner, I just asked him, Praveen, is this hotel yours? He said yes. This one? He said yes. That one? Yes. Then I told him how many hotels you have got. So he said many are there, many are there, many are there. However, stop. I wish him, he is a very dear friend, very soft spoken and smiling, and I wish him a good luck with happiness in life ahead.
Happy birthday, Praveen. Have a great 60th and enjoy yourself totally. My favorite holiday with Praveen has to be Mahabaleshwar. We all had such a great time and enjoyed ourselves thoroughly. Praveen's favorite friend in our group. In any group, Praveen's favorite friend has to be his hotels. And I really have no other answer for that.
Happy birthday, Praveen. Have a great 60th. Enjoy yourself. Have a blast that day. Which character Praveen reminds me of? I think Richie Rich, the poor little rich boy. Because in spite of having so much wealth, he never flaunts it. If Praveen would not be a hotelier, what would he be? I guess because the amount of infrastructure knowledge he has and the city development, hotel development and other things, I think he would be a municipal commissioner, probably.
20 years from now, honestly, I see Praveen counting his 100th hotel. Where would I like to see him 20 years from now? He's chilling in the Bahamas with Monica, his children, his grandchildren, and just having a blast.
Okay. And what's secret of Praveen? First of all, secrets are not supposed to be divulged, so I really cannot say it. But since you insist, I might as well say it. Praveen has got an eye for all beautiful girls. You let a beautiful girl pass by him and his eyes got a twinkle which you can see for miles.
Happy birthday once again. Have a super
Enjoy
day.
yourself. Bye.
Hi Praveen, wishing you a very happy 60th birthday and hoping you have many more to follow, even happier ones and in happier times.
And we've been friends forever and ever since college. And I still till today remember the day, Praveen, when you invited Mukund for lunch and didn't invite me. I haven't forgotten that even in maybe 38 years. And you never spoke to me all through our tuition days. We hope to see, where do I see you 20 years from now? Mukund, where do we see you 20 years from now?
You'll probably still be there only.
Doing the same things or doing
Making
today.
more hotels and restaurants
And working harder and harder.
Here's looking forward to celebrating all our birthdays together in the not too distant future.
प्रवीण तेरे 60th बर्थडे पे बहुत शुभकामनाएं। तेरे को हम लोग बहुत मिस करते हैं। लेकिन कहीं से भी यार 60th का तो दिखता नहीं है। तूने अपने बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट में एज बढ़वा ली थी क्या? कार लाइसेंस के लिए लोग पहले बढ़वाते थे एज, तो मुझे लगता है तूने बढ़वा ली थी। तेरे को हम लोग बहुत याद करते हैं, तेरी बीएमसी की बातें बहुत याद करते हैं, तेरे को बहुत मिस करते हैं। और अगर तेरे से कुछ सीखना हो लाइफ में तो डिसिप्लिन एंड हार्ड वर्क तेरे से सीखना चाहिए। विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट इन लाइफ।
Happy birthday, Praveen.
Hi Praveen, congratulations to the entry to the senior citizenship. Most undeserving, for you don't look a day over 50. What with your healthy crop of black hair. Ha ha, भगवान मेरे दोस्त को किसी की नजर न लग जाए. Please continue to be the flourishing, brilliant business hotelier that you are, for always, even 20 years down the road. God bless. Happy birthday. Have a great day and a lovely life.
Happy 60th birthday, young evergreen Praveen, whom we fondly call Robert. Praveen and Monica, we go back a long way. Over the years, I've observed some interesting facets to your personality. We've had some fun, memorable holidays together. On holidays, you're this relaxed Praveen who wants to go out, have fun, try out new places, sleep late and get up early. Whereas in Bombay, you're this hard-working Praveen, passionate about running your hotels, making new hotels. 20 years from now, I see you as the Hilton of India. Good luck, my friend. Cheers to an amazing life, Robert, with Mona Darling by your side.
Hi Praveen, can't believe that you've turned 60. You're the youngest 60-year-old guy we have in our group. Can't forget those lovely holidays we've had together. Fun-filled holidays where you're cracking up till 2:30, 3 o'clock with us guys. But guys only.
Okay, the most favorite friend that you have amongst the whole lot of us is obviously me. Eat your heart out, Mona Darling, because Robert is only for me.
Happy birthday to you,
Praveen. Big hug and happy birthday.
All the best. Bye for now.
Happy birthday, Praveen.
Hi Praveen, wishing you a very very happy birthday and may you have a very very rocking 60th birthday with the family in the lockdown conditions.
Yes, otherwise we would have all been with you to celebrate, and just wishing you all the best of health, wealth, happiness, everything.
And we had some questionnaire to answer, and one of the questions was that what would Praveen be if he wasn't a hotelier? I think Praveen would be a super power broker.
That's hilarious. Okay.
And what will he be doing 20 years from now? I think he'll be making his X hotel. 80 साल की उम्र में भी वो कोई ना कोई होटल तैयार कर रहा होगा. And will be after that morning to evening. He's a workaholic. He's not going to change.
Please don't change. We love you the way you are. And Praveen, I'm sure everybody is going to talk about the fun and games that they've always had with you, the wonderful times we spent together at all the weddings we've attended. But one thing that has touched my heart, and that is always going to remain with us, is how you are a people's friend, a friend's friend, genuine friend. We will never forget that when we needed you the most, you were there for us.
Yeah, sure.
And you did everything possible to make our situation better. Love you for that. Thank you.
We really appreciate that. Thank you so much.
So God bless and have a fabulous year ahead.
Mr. Mehra, we know you from 1989, 31 long years. Don't remember, you must have spoken more than 20 minutes overall in this 31 years. But we wish you from heart a very, very blessed, healthy and wealthy, because that's what you need most. You want more, sorry. Birthday, God bless you and you live long.
Happy birthday, Praveen. Wish you more and more years of health, wealth and happiness in the world.
Hi Praveen, happy 60th birthday.
Happy birthday. Wish you lots of happiness in all the years to come. We have such fond memories of us together in Krabi, in Goa. I hope we have many more holidays together.
So, all the best, Praveen.
Okay. Happy birthday, Praveen. I've been asked as to which are our best holidays with you. I think each and every holiday you get better, you get more and more chill, but we still have to take so many more holidays for you to reach where we want you to reach. So chill and have a great day. All the best.
Happy birthday, Praveen. Have a super day with your family and all your loved ones. And if I have to think, what would you be if not a hotelier? Then I think you'd be a sports person, because you're so hardworking and so disciplined.
With sport. Praveen, you know what
Super
she's
day.
saying.
Have a super day.
Okay. All the best.
Happy birthday, Praveen.
Happy birthday, dearest Praveen. Have a fabulous one. Be blessed.
Happy birthday, Nana. My favorite time with you was when I do pull Nana pull and pull ups with you together. I want to be as tall as you and as smart as you. Happy birthday. Bye. Hi. Happy birthday. The best time with you is when you come to Lotus Court and pick me up, and then when I'm sleeping you see Richie Rich. Happy birthday. Hope you have a blast on your birthday. Nana, I'm doing work in the video also. Aren't I working as hard as you?
Happy 60th birthday, Dad. It is both a pleasure and an honor to be wishing you on this most stupendous birthday of yours. 60 years. I've heard many stories about the first half century. I'm looking immeasurably forward towards enjoying the next half century with you. I can, however, speak about the past decade, wherein which there have been many learnings from you, Dad. First thing that comes to mind when I speak about Praveen Mehra is the stupendous amount of generosity that he has, the wisdom that he imparts, the intellectual and the physical prowess in that not only does a person have the capability to analyze every situation, but he also has the vim and vigor to go out there and seize the day, as they say, carpe diem, the day is ours. I've learned a lot of things in dealing with people, in dealing with environments, in dealing with various physical items also in terms of equipments, machineries and things like that. It's been not only my privilege to learn from you, but I'm also looking forward to the time spent because of the huge amount of patience you have when you're dealing with people. Of course, there's the other side of Praveen Mehra, and that's the gentleman who spends time with all his children and his grandchildren. I know the highlight of Krishav and Leah's lockdown weekends have been their visits to their Nana and Nani. They talk about it as if this is their annual holiday, and I'm sure that's largely because of the time that's spent with them, as you'll see from their videos. I would once again, Dad, like to wish you a very happy 60th birthday. Take care and much love.
Happy 60th birthday, Papa. Very often we enter people's offices and they assume that you're my brother and not my father. I think we all know why that happens. It's because of your young, dashing looks. May you continue to look like my brother, wearing your smart, snazzy socks and sharing a common love for slim ties, good jeans and nice shoes. Thank you for being you, Papa. Wise like an owl and sharp like an ox. You've lived life on your own terms and never shied away from expressing yourself and your independent ideas. We all have you to thank for a lot of our success today and the comforts and luxuries that we enjoy in life. You've always been ahead of the curve, taking on challenges even today, and you've maneuvered yourself in different situations. In spite of not wanting me to go abroad and study, you still swallowed your pain and you allowed me to experience the life abroad. And never once during that year did you nudge me to come back or tell me that it would be better for me to be in India. However, the last 12 years working with you, dreaming with you, executing with you, have been the best learning I could ever ask for. And there would be no better school than the school of my father. From you, I have the qualities of perseverance, attention to detail. And more often than not, when I'm faced with a tough situation, I wonder, how would Papa have handled the situation? And I get my answer. I still recollect the day when you were a young father that handed over me the red keychain at the steps of Campion School when I cried, "Papa, don't leave me and go." And 25 years later, even today, we ride back home in the car together, many times waiting for the other to get done with his work, just so we can share that car ride of 40 minutes, 60 minutes together. I'm grateful for you, for having the faith in me, for allowing me to independently work, at the same time keeping an eye out for me, silently pushing me, inspiring me, and picking me up whenever I fall. Thank you, Papa, for being you. I'll be lucky if 30 years later I have the same enthusiasm, the same zeal, the same quest for success and attention for detail, just like you have today. Looking back at your life and your body of work, I pray to God, give me the same energy that my father has, and give me the same compassion and the love that my father shows his children. Thank you for everything, Papa. I love you.
Happy Golden Jubilee birthday, Dad. There's a beautiful poem I found that sums up our relationship. So I'm just going to read it out for you. "Walk a little slower, Dad," said a child so small. "I'm following in your footsteps and I don't want to fall. Sometimes your steps are very fast, sometimes they are hard to see. So walk a little slower, Dad, for you are leading me. Someday when I am all grown up, you're what I want to be. Then I will have a little child who will want to follow me. and I want to lead just right and know that I was true. So walk a little slower, Dad, for I am following you. Dad, this poem sums it up. You were my final destination for any decision, big or small. Whenever I face what to do, you're my 24/7 helpline. I just think what my dad would do, and I know that that's the closest thing I'm possibly going to do. You've been there for me for the smallest of things, whether it is even going to a Kismat connection to pick up handles for Krishav and Leah's room. You somehow managed to just find the time. Going to all the big things in life. You introduced me to Vaishno Devi, which I feel is the most peaceful place in this world for me. I believe everything I am today as a person is because of you and Mom. I'm going to narrate one incident from my childhood, which you probably don't even remember. So, I had just learned driving, Dad, and I was at Marine Lines, and I banged the car. And you were always my speed dial, then, now, always. So I call you and you reach within 10 minutes. You came and your usual self, you screamed. The whole street knew that you were probably there with the way you screamed. But the beauty is you didn't scream at me, you screamed at the man whose car I had banged. Thanks for taking my back always, Dad. There's no way, no expression, no words that can match up to the feeling I felt that day. I always joke with Raghav that in a movie Superman can lose his energies. But my dad's superpowers and his brains will never stop functioning. You know, Dad, as a child, I'd always be upset with you. I always felt you worked very, very hard and had less time for us. I vividly remember our holiday to Europe, and on the last day, I went into the room and I started crying that you were leaving because you had to get back for work and Mom, Rishabh and me were going to the US. But it amazes me how the same qualities today are the ones I love about Raghav. It just shows how much you influenced me in my life. I feel that the big family punch split that we went through was on your shoulders. You were our rock through it and have always been mine. You've been one of the most selfless, helpful people that I probably know. You never express your feelings near anyone. You'll do it behind everyone's back and just send a message once it's done. That's how humble you are. I'll narrate an incident just as recent as during COVID. Your mate Prabhati wanted to go back and she didn't have an Aadhaar card. We were in the lockdown period and only you are the kind of person who would take her, not worry about himself, go to the Aadhaar card office personally to ensure that her Aadhaar card is issued and she can catch the flight in a week's time to go back home. That's you for me, Dad. So selfless, so helpful. You're my human trump card. Yesterday, today and every day. That's what you are for me, Dad. Love you. Thanks for everything.
Are you sure you married to him? Or you acted that?
We ran away and we didn't get married. We're just living in sin.
And you found this is the best thing you could find. Praveen loved that. Yeah, this is the best thing you could find. Praveen ki aapko this is the best thing you could find.
I have no idea what he is all about. He's a sinner.
Yeah? Tell us more. Tell us more. Tell us more. And she's taking pictures.
Happy blessed birthday to the love of my life. Our journey of 37 years has been so enriching and incredible. I remember the day after I got engaged to you, you told me, my father is my God and my family is everything for me. Well, you really rose in my eyes and I really respect you for that. You've been very supportive, very progressive, and always pushed me to do things, and I would not have achieved half as much in my life had it not been for you. You have taught me so much. And your intuition, oh my God, has got us out of so many sticky situations. My feelings for you can be summed up. हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना. Love you loads.